Let go of that fucking gun. Get your fucking hand away, dude. Get him under control. Give him the gun, bro.
On July 21st, 2022, at approximately 2:38 p.m., officers of the Columbus Division of Police were patrolling the area of Kimball Street and Fulton Street. This is on the city's Near East Side, a part of town that is well known for violent gangs and drug activity. While on patrol, the officers observed a pair of males moving slowly down the street, impeding traffic. One of the males was walking, the other man was on a bicycle. The officers stopped the two men and began asking them about criminal activity. Very soon after, the officers found themselves engaged in a violent confrontation with a man who was concealing a firearm in his front left pocket. This video shows real police work. It also shows the real danger that our officers face on a daily basis.
Hey, man, you know you can't be in the street like that. You gotta be riding that bike.
I was stopping and just
Stop
asking
and
them
you
for my
turned
direction.
around, all that craziness.
I was just asking them for directions, bro.
You gotta pedal. Or you think about you being a car. Like when we pulled up behind you, we technically have to stop because you're in the middle of the street. So we had to wait for you. You're impeding our traffic. All right. So when you're on a bicycle, think about you being a car, man. You got to signal. You got to stop for stop signs. You got to do all that stuff. Hey, man. Will you smoke marijuana? Do you have any marijuana? Yeah, I'm smelling a bunch of marijuana coming off of you. So you have no marijuana on your person right now. Do you know what marijuana smells like?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you telling me you don't have any marijuana in your bag? Okay, man. Hang tight for me. You're not free to go, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Relax, you all right? Stop. Stop. Don't move.
Can you let me go, please?
No, you're not free to go. What do you have in your bag? Gun!
Eric.
10-3.
Put the gun down. I'm gonna fucking
You're
kill
gonna
you.
get shot.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna get shot.
I'm gonna kill you. Let
go
go of that fucking gun. Get your fucking hand away, dude. Get him under control. Give him the gun, bro.
I don't got the gun.
Stop struggling. Stop struggling, motherfucker. Back in the house. Let's get the fucking gun. Let's go.
I can't breathe.
Get out of the fucking car and get over here.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Where's he at? Stop.
Take the gun.
I can't breathe.
Get your hand.
I can't breathe.
Stop. You can't see.
I can't breathe.
Fucking down here.
Area 10-3 at Kimball Fulton.
I can't breathe.
I gotta speak. Stop. I got him. I got him. Stop. Fucking belly.
I can't breathe.
We just fought him for a gun, so let's get him under control.
No, he had a gun in his hand. Bullshit.
Chopper to 5. Chopper's overhead. I copy that. More cars coming to you overhead. Chopper, where they at?
I can't breathe.
Stop.
I'm cuffed already. I can't breathe.
All right, man. Just breathe. Sit on your side and breathe. All right.
I can't.
Hey, you got all this stuff on you. We're gonna take off. Sit up.
Get this off his neck.
Sit up. Breathe.
Put your hands back here, okay?
Is there a clip? There's a clip underneath his right shoulder.
Kimball and Fulton.
Come here. Stop. Come here. Hey. I'm giving you an order to stop. If you don't stop, you're going to go to jail, bud.
Y'all fucking with me for what, bro?
Turn around.
Didn't do shit.
Turn around.
Bro, I'm on, bro. Call your mom,
When
bro.
I tell you to stop, you stop. Okay?
But I am on property, sir.
You weren't. You were walking the street. Your friends were telling you to get out of the street.
That's what I was doing.
But you ain't listened.
I was getting out the street.
Put your hands together like praying. Any weapons on you?
No, I don't got no weapons, bro.
Ready for
Come
you.
on, sir. You don't gotta do all that.
All you gotta do is listen from the get-go.
You're right. I was trying to get across the street. I just literally got in the same dumbass situation every time.
Well, guess what? When the police tell you stop, you stop.
Goofy shit, man. I've gotten there, officer. I promise you.
Why you don't want to stop then, huh?
I was walking across the street to my yard.
Huh? Turn around. Turn around. You were walking across the street for your yard.
Yes.
That's fine. But you get across to the crosswalk.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
You're right.
Then when you get in the yard and I say stop, why you don't want to stop?
Because I just was in my yard. I feel like y'all, listen, this is the second time this happened to me. The last time they slammed me all around and nothing. You see?
Aaron. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. I'm gonna fucking kill you, dude. I'm going to kill you.
You're gonna get shot.
I will kill you. Let go of that fucking gun. Get your fucking hand away, dude.
Cars with him inside. Chopper to 5410 Creek, Fulton and Kimball.
Get him under control.
Give him the gun, bro. Oh, goddamn.
Stop struggling. Stop struggling, motherfucker. Get it back in the house. Come get the fucking gun. Let's go. Get out of the fucking car and get over here.
Where's he at?
Take the fucking gun.
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna break your arm, dude.
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting. Stop.
I can't
On your
breathe.
fucking belly, dude.
Alright.
3 Area 10-3 at Kimball and Fulton.
I can't breathe.
Stop. I got him.
Get it. Stop. Your fucking belly. Come on, dude. We just fought him for a gun, so let's get him under control.
I'm glad you did. No, he had a gun in his hand. Bullshit.
Chopper to 5. Chopper's overhead. Chopper, where are they?
We got one in custody. Give me one or two more cars here, though.
I got more cars coming to you overhead.
Stop.
Chopper, where they at?
I can't breathe.
Stop.
I'm cuffed already. I can't breathe.
Come on, man. Just breathe. Sit on your side and breathe. Hi.
I can't.
Hey, you got all this stuff on you.
Can't.
We gotta
Try to get this off his neck.
sit up. Breathe.
Keep your hands back here, okay?
Clip. There's a clip underneath his right shoulder, I think.
I don't got no.
No, I'm talking about
The pistol he had. Bunch of dope. Baggies. Just weed.
weed for money. You alright?
Yeah.
You alright, Shelby?
Okay.
So you got gun in the one bag,
Okay.
drugs, money, scales in this bag,
Okay.
and then everything else is either in that backpack or that little shoulder bag you had.
Personal property's in his bags.
Yes.
Gun and.
Guns, money, drugs is in here. And the 3 cell phones he had are in that one too.
Okay. Did anybody run that gun yet?
No, not yet.
I don't know the man.